everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Hominess Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be memory planning the week of September 7th through September 13th, and I'm using this beautiful mini kit called Royalty from Sweetbellaxoxo. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base, and then I will get back to you with the day to day. So starting off on Monday, I wanted to mark that this was Labor Day. So to mark that, I'm using this little vine deco piece from Honey Inked, this little framed box from Meg B Makes. I discovered her recently on Etsy, and I'm obsessed with her little boxes. I've made several orders. You should check her out. And then I used a frame box from Sweetbellaxoxo and layered that over top of each other. And the Labor Day sticker is from Nikki+3. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I had my Zoom class on this day, so I pulled in a half box from the Happy Planner sticker book. I layered a mini mandala on the side, and that little workout girl is from Planning Like a Pro. And that's just to mark that I had my Zoom class, which I do every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Next, I wanted to mark that I cleaned off the back deck at my parents' house. That's generally where I film my fitness videos, and I teach my fitness class over there as well. I live in an apartment on the second floor, so I can't really teach a HIIT cardio class and jump around because my downstairs neighbors probably wouldn't appreciate that. So I go over and I teach and I do my fitness stuff over at my parents' house. So I just cleaned out the backyard and kind of swept, took care of some pressure washing and whatnot to make sure that I had a clean space to do my fitness things. Also, it's kind of a gift to my parents as well. Then I wanted to mark that this was also the day that Tay and Rachel from Shantae Plans and Gathered Plans started their Instagram live series called Plans Change, and it was so good. I love watching them. It's almost like a podcast, but like with stickers. It's the best. I freaking adore it. So to mark that, I used a scallop box from Panda Bird Designs, and that little laptop girl is also from Panda Bird Designs as well. Jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I slept in, and I used this amazing flat lay from Papershire. I've been dying to pull this into a spread, and I'm so happy I finally was able to. Like, ever since I hauled this or got this in, I've been waiting for my moment to use it, and I'm so glad I pulled it into the spread. I think it turned out so cute. I just loved it. And then I layered a little lace trim divider at the bottom, and I thought that looked kind of cute because I was like, oh, it's like a little dust ruffle for the bed. Oh gosh, I need to stop. Then I wanted to mark that I did some meal prepping on this day. I used our crock pot. I've been trying to get a little bit more, Holly homemaker, I guess, experimenting with, crock pots and the Instapot and everything. So I meal prepped some roast beef, which my husband freaking adored. And to mark that, I used a flag from the Sweet Planner. That bowstrung box is from the Giving Girl. And that little, it's technically an Instapot, but whatever, that's from the Pretty Pink Co. Then I wanted to mark that I had a workout, so I used a quarter box from the kit. That shoe is from the Pretty Pink Co. And then to finish off the night, I did some studying to mark that. I used this little foiled working girl from Pink Polka Dot Lily, layered over top of a piece of washi from the kit, the lace trim dividers from Honey Inked, and the study script was made for me by my mom. Jumping over to Wednesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I had a personal training session, so I used a flag from the kit and that little exercise girl from the GP Studio to mark that. The heart clusters are from Honey Inked, and the training script is from Planner Kate. Then I marked that I got some Happy Mail. I used a quarter box that was a leftover from Jackson Pepper. That mini mandala is from Honey Inked. The mailer and the script are both from GL Designs Group. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband had our pizza night. We have like weekly pizza nights, I guess. But anyways, I used another frame box from Meg B Makes. I cut a mini mandala in half and put it on either corner. The little pizza girl is from the Fox and Pip, and the pizza night script is from the Happy Planner. Then to finish off the night, I started filming this plan with me. So I used that little washi box from Simply Watercolor Co. And that filming icon is from Crafts by Towie. And the film plan with me script is from my mom. Jumping over to Thursday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I slept in on this day, and I'm channeling my best Sue Wanna Lay plans on this one. The way that I'm layering this is definitely an inspiration from her. So to mark that, I cut a mini mandala, and I used the corners to kind of frame in this little frame box from Meg B Makes. And then I used a mini mandala from the Pretty Pink Co., and I layered a little pillow and sleep mask icon over top of that. And on the side, I used this little flourish from the Pretty Pink Co. as well. The sleep in script is from Planner Kate. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that this was the day that I deep cleaned my house. And I mean, I deep cleaned my house. It took me like 5.5 hours. Like, I don't know what the heck was wrong with me, but I was on one. I was like, let's do it. So to mark that, I used a quarter box from the kit. The cleaning bucket is from the GP Studio. The clean house script was made for me by my mom. And then that little rose divider is from Meg B Makes. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I was listening to a podcast while I was cleaning my house. If you guys are familiar at all with The Office, Pam and Angela have a podcast where they break down every single episode, and it is amazing. And that's what I listened to while I was cleaning my house. I've been listening to it like every week. They come out with a new one every Wednesday, and I'm trying to get caught up. But I was binging that while I cleaned my house. So to mark that, I used a flag from the kit, layered over top of a flag that I got from a sticker order from the Sweet Planner. I used a doily dot and a Crafts by Towie icon to mark that I listened to my podcast. Then to finish off the night, I did a lot of studying, so I used a little sticky note from Papershire. The little pen is from Crafts by Towie, and then the book stack is also from Papershire. And then the little bow divider to end off the night is from Netty Designs. Jumping over to Friday, this was a very lazy day. I kind of gave myself grace because I'd been studying and cleaning and working, and I was like, you know what, we're going to take a lazy day on Friday. So to mark that, I used this little vine scallop box from Panda Bird Design. The lazy day script is from Pink Leaf Prints, and the little girl living her best is from Planning Like a Pro. Jumping down, I want to mark that my younger brother FaceTimed me for like an hour and a half on this day, which is so great. I haven't seen him in 2 years, guys, and we are a little over a month away from him being home, and I am so ready. So ready. So to mark him FaceTiming, I'm using a half box from the kit, a half mandala from Honey Inked, which I just cut down to fit on either corner. That FaceTime icon is from Panda Bird Designs, and then to fill in the white space in between the lazy day and my brother FaceTiming, I use that little flourish from Sweetbellaxoxo. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I used our Instapot to make some chicken and rice on this night, so I used a mini flag from the kit, and that icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I played a lot of Animal Crossing on this night, so to mark that, I'm using this beautiful switch icon from Letters from Lay, and that custom Animal Crossing script is a script that my mom made for me. And then to finish off, I just used that little flourish from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to Saturday, I wanted to mark that I slept in. I don't know what it is, like every day that I wasn't working, I slept in on those days. Hashtag sorry, not sorry. So to mark that, I use a sleep mask from Letters from Lay. That fancy flourish is from Pink Polka Dot Lily. The botanical florals are from Letters from Lay, and the sleep in script is from Planner Kate. Then I wanted to mark that I had kind of like a self-care day, so I was able to pull in another flat lay from Paper Shire. I love Paper Shire's flat lays. So this is a skincare shelf flat lay. The lace trim dividers from Honey Inked, and the Me Time script is from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that I had kind of like a sibling sister day. I went over and I hung out with my sister, so to mark that, I used a Starburst half burst thing from Honey Inked. That flag is from the kit, and then I used another one of those beautiful frame boxes from Meg B Makes, and that little house is from the GP Studio. Then I wanted to mark that I had a YouTube binge, so to mark that, I'm using a little quarter box from Panda Bird Designs. That little YouTube icon is from Paper Shire, and the YouTube binge script is from my mom. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I had a workout, so I used a scallop box from Panda Bird Designs. Then I used a floral box from Crafts by Towie, and those little shoes are from Planning World. Jumping over to Sunday, I wanted to mark that we had church over at my parents' house, and to mark that, I used this beautiful half mandala from Honey Inked, and then I turned the bowstrung box from the Giving Girl on its side, and I believe I saw Justine from Just Plans do this. She kind of turned it to the side and then used an icon to cover up the bow, and so I channeled my inner Just Plans and did the same thing. The icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the church script is from Planner Kate. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband hung out at my parents' house pretty much all day on this day. So to mark that, I used a half box from the kit. That botanical floral piece is from Letters from Lay. The house is from GP Studio, and the custom mom and dad script is a sticker that my mom made for me. Then I wanted to mark that I edited this plan with me. So to mark that, I used another half box from the kit. That doily dot is from Crafts by Towie. The laptop is from Planning World, and the edit plan with me script is another from my mom. Then to finish off the night, I did this voiceover, which took me 5,000 years and 5 million tries later. So I hope it's not as much of a hot mess as I think it is. But anyways, that completes the spread, you guys. These are the leftover stickers. Here is a Viv Wiggle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!